3, let's go!
Hey, I'm Jack. During the summer of 2020, I'll be backpacking the West Coast a little differently. I'll be turning my Mini Cooper into a home on wheels, trying to travel all up the West Coast, hitting as many national parks as I can see, and taking video footage of everything I can and uploading it for you guys to see as well. Alright, let's get right into this video. Alright, good morning guys. It is 5 a.m. First night went really well. I'm gonna get dressed and then we're gonna get ready for the sunrise hike. I'll see you guys in a little bit. Coming up on the sunrise, we're gonna get a nice little view from right here. As you saw, the park is partially closed, but because of the closure, I'm gonna probably leave the park in the next hour or so, and then we'll probably head to the next location, which is another state park, and then we'll hike there. Hey, Editor Jack here. Just wanted to quickly say in this hike, I ended up getting pretty sick from heat exhaustion. I didn't make light of it in this video, but I wanted to share and help others be better prepared for these hikes. Most of California's hikes are in direct sunlight, and sometimes you don't get a chance for shade. Remember to always bring extra water and food, a sun hat, or anything to get yourself some shade and cooled off. Alright, that's enough of me. Back to the video. We're just getting to Pacheco State Park. The trail we're about to do is the Spike Peaks Loop. It's like a 7-mile loop around Pacheco State Park. Hopefully we see some good views. I'll post the all trails below. Yeah, let's go hit the trail. I'll see you guys then.
Blood, sweat, and tears, yeah, we feel the pain, but we're coming in strong like a hurricane. Even if it's coming down to the wire, gonna give it all, bring the fire. Even if it's looking grim like we won't win, gonna fight to survive, yeah, to the end. Yeah, we won't give up. We fight on.
This wind right now, it's cooling me off. It's a hot day, but with this much wind, it's feeling good.
You gotta live life like it matters. You know we're stronger together. Even if it's looking grim like we won't win, gonna fight to survive, yeah, to the end. Yeah, we won't give.
We just finished a little bit of the first incline. I'm about to do the big climb right now, and then we should be on top of the peak in no time. Let's do this incline.
We fight on.
Guys, whew, Made it to the peak. Got a nice 360 view all around me of just beautiful mountains and hills. Right down there is the way down. We'll travel down pretty shortly. Finished the hike. I drove a little bit down the road just because I needed to get out of the sun. I needed to get a little cool in my car. Try to find a place to park and probably hang out for the night. So yeah, it was a great hike overall. I really liked it. It was very hot. I'll see you guys later.